Oh my god. Swings. Whee! Swings. Oh yay. Whee! Oh god. Oh my god. Ah. Whee! 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 Oh yeah! Oh my god! This is so fun! Look. Beach. Wow. Who can swing on the beach? Who can say that? I can. Oh my god, I almost fell off. Oh my god. Ah. Goodbye and farewell. See you soon. Bird. Bird. Yeah, you. Yes. You. Bird. Hey. Can I hug you? Can I hug you, please? Can I hug you? I want to hug you, please. I want to hug you. Fine. Go find some birds on the water. Bird. Ugh. Bird. Hello. Hey. Hello. What's up? Hey. Hey. No, don't fly away. Don't fly away. Can I touch you? I want to touch you. I'm so close to this bird. Oh my god. Hello. Hello. Fine. Okay. Fly away. Dive bomb, why don't you? Okay. And here it is. Goodbye. Phone. Gonna go. Whatever. Hey. Hello. Hello. Hey. You mind if I befriend you? Hello, Jim? It's really cold, really windy. You can probably hear it in the camera, yeah. Just missed the sunset. Pelican right there. Water. Whoa. Cool. Whoa, that's what's really down there? Holy fuck. That is crazy. Wow. You don't want to drop it in there. Whoa. I think you splashed me.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine, dude.
Ooh, a fish.
You want to take a picture? You want the other side up? So, here. There you go.
There he is.
Look at
A
that.
butterfly.
Catch of the day for me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Anybody want it?
Trusty
No, send it back.
Send
Do
it
you
back.
have
Send it back.
pliers or anything?
No.
Is it still in his mouth?
You know what? We can scoot
Slide
right
him on in there.
Is the
Too bad the girls just left and they would have left.
There, we'll drop it off on their porch. Ring the doorbell and ring.
There we go. Booyah!
He'll
Bye,
be gone. He's
baby.
gone.
He's gone.
He's gone.
He
He's
went
happy
that
now.
away.
Score.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, this is, as you can see, Burnt Foot's feet on the pier. As you can see, we're on a pier, and there are burnt footsteps, and it's pretty creepy. Well, ooh. Oh. Ooh. Well, it looks like the theory that we came up with is that somebody was standing right here and they got struck by lightning. And they either died or they just got electrocuted, woke up the next day and were like, my hair's gone. Holy crap. Hold on, let me stand in this. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hey. Hello. 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 Your foot looks like it hurts. Hello. Hello. Fine. Go away with your hurt foot. Okay, just go over there. Fine. You asshole. Hello. Hello. Can I pet you, bird? Can I befriend you? I want to befriend you. Please. Please. Fine. Fly away. Fine. You, hey. Hello, you're fat. You look fat, really fat. Hello. Hello, fine. Fat ass, go away. Pelican. Oh my god, I mean a pigeon. A pigeon. That's the first pigeon I've seen today. Hello. Can I touch you? Can I touch you, please? Fine. Fly away with the little fat you. He's pretty skinny, but he's a bitch because or she. Oh my god. Whoa. Hello. Hey bird. Hey, fly away. Don't befriend me, asshole. Birds are douchebags. Birds. Birds are fun. I like birds. I prefer a dog or cat as a companion. Oh my god. Bird. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. Oh my god. Hello. Fine. Fly away. Fly away again. And this video will end right